So today we will look at what is motion detection. Okay, we will try to understand the motion detection feature. As of now, the motion detection is off. Okay, so if I am blogging or moto vlogging, whatever. Now, first thing I have to do is I can't keep the camera on for a long time. Battery will drain. So first thing I do is switch on the camera, right? So now the camera takes to switch on around 5 to 8 seconds. Okay, now I have switched on the camera. Second thing that I'll do is I will start the recording function. Okay, I am taking help of Lavanya. Now you can see this is recording. Okay, she is saying hi. Now she is doing nothing, right? But the camera is still on. I have finished vlogging and now I want to turn off the stop the recording as well as turn off the camera. So again I have to do the same two things. First is this first click, so recording has stopped, and now switch off the power. Now before switching off the power, to save time, what I'll do is I'll just go to motion detection. This is the motion detection. I'll put it on. Now I will switch off the camera. So now my camera is switched off. Now let me turn on the camera. Lavanya, don't move, okay? Be steady, don't move at all. Okay, now the camera is starting, and as usual it is taking. I have done the first action, that is I have switched on the camera. Now I will not touch this. Lavanya, move, say hi. Now you see the camera has move. Camera has started recording. Do you see? I did not touch the recording button. Now Lavanya, stop moving. See, Lavanya has stopped moving and the recording after 2-3 seconds has stopped, right? Now again Lavanya, start moving. Now see, Lavanya has start moving and the recording has started. You get a small notification over here icon, that is F, right? This is just a screen. Okay, now she is moving. Now to stop this, what you have to do is directly switch off the camera, right? This is of no use. The recording stop. Move, Lavanya, move. This is of no use. Okay, but then I will tell you why this is of no use. We will stop the recording once. Lavanya, keep on moving. I have stopped the recording. Lavanya, keep on moving. I have stopped the recording, but since the scene or whatever is in moving, you see the recording has started, right? So what I will do is I will directly switch it off from here. That is the power button. So when the motion detection was on, two things happened. One, you could do one touch, with just one touch, that is power on, power off. One touch of power on, the camera started as well as the recording started. And when you are done with same one touch, that is power button, the recording first stopped and then the camera switched off. So this is like a one touch recording on off, camera on off feature. How this is going to be used, what, this is like a blessing. This is like a blessing for bikers, motovloggers and all. How, I will explain it in part 2. So having said that, signing off right now from you all. Lavanya, show your face from this side. Camera is off. Say bye bye. Recording with the my phone vlogging kit. The purchase links of all the accessories of the SJ Cam Wi-Fi link, the SJ Cam 4000 Wi-Fi, the phone vlogging kit, and the DSLR vlogging kit are in the description below. प्लीज़ परचेस इफ़ यू वांट एनी. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि हम सबके जीवन में सुख और समृद्धि ऐसे ही भरपूर बढ़ती रहे. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.